In the learning phase, students are introduced to Industry Standard Accounting, the uniform system of accounts for the lodging industry, USALI. Students learn to read accounting reports and look at a hotel's results versus the forecasted budget. While studying their hotel's financial performance, students learn how to compare their hotel against industry benchmarks and make any necessary management changes to help meet projected revenues and profits. In the challenge phase, the Gold Star Hotel is struggling financially and needs your students' knowledge of hospitality, accounting, and benchmarking to cut losses and make a profit for the month. Students use benchmark data and the hotel's profit report to find areas that can be adjusted for greater profitability. But students have to keep an eye on the impact of their changes on guest satisfaction. If they cut too much, guests may start complaining. For professors using the full curriculum with written content chapters, the optional concept overview and quiz covers hotel financial management overview, controller functions, the importance of financial statements, profit and loss statement exhibit, achieving profitability, the financial management cycle, and key terms. Understanding the numbers and accounting behind a profitable hotel is key to a successful hotel management career. This sim introduces students to the fundamentals of hotel accounting and shows that there's a fine balance between achieving profit and creating a positive guest experience.